Are you tired of giving everyone full access to your Zoho Books account? Learn how to create a custom role with specific permissions in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click in Zoho Books to set up a new role, configure module and feature permissions, and save it. To get started, open Zoho Books in your browser. Now, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Then, from the menu, select Roles. Go ahead and click on New Role to begin creating a new role. Type in the role name, for example, Manager. Then, add a brief role description to clarify the role's purpose. Now, configure the module permissions by checking the boxes for each module you want the role to access. Then, set the feature permissions to fine-tune what the role can do within each module. If you want to grant access to all permissions, click on Enable Full Access. Then, select the Full Access checkbox to confirm. Click on Enable to activate the full access settings. Then, click on Proceed to continue. Finally, click on Save to create the new role. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.